Zero bounce doesn't mean perfect efficiency. In fact, elite runners often oscillate more than amateurs, but their forward ratio tells a completely different story. Vertical oscillation is the measurable up and down movement of your center of mass with each stride. Many runners believe the goal is to run perfectly flat to save energy, but physics disagrees. Running is essentially a series of plyometric bounds. To create the flight time necessary for a long stride, you must generate vertical force against gravity. The problem isn't the bounce itself, it's the relationship between that bounce and your forward distance. This is called your vertical ratio. A high jump with a short stride is wasted energy. Elite marathoners typically maintain a vertical oscillation between 6 and 8 centimeters. However, because their stride is so long, their vertical ratio stays exceptionally low, usually under 6%. If your ratio climbs above 8 or 9%, you enter Pogo stick territory. You are spending energy fighting gravity rather than propelling yourself horizontally, which significantly increases impact forces on landing. Conversely, trying to eliminate all bounce leads to the grounded shuffle. Without vertical displacement, you lose the benefits of the stretch shortening cycle in your Achilles tendon, free elastic energy. Fatigue often destroys this balance. As core stability fails late in a long run, many runners actually increase their vertical oscillation because they lose the ability to drive forward efficiently. To optimize this naturally, use the ceiling visualization. Imagine a ceiling just 1 inch above your head. Try to run tall without hitting that ceiling. This cue encourages forward hip drive rather than upward push. It helps convert vertical force into horizontal velocity without forcing you to change your natural foot strike. Finally, check your cadence. A slow turnover often forces you to jump higher to cover distance. Increasing your cadence by just 5% is the single fastest way to reduce excessive vertical oscillation. Master your vertical motion to run farther with less fatigue.